Hey guys, REDMARK here. Know it's been a while, but I'm finally back with a new video. I had to give a quick shout out to Criz Creations. Did a challenge before with him, a collab before, and came up with this awesome new collab where it's 4 of us. It's myself, Paul King Sketches, JK Ottesen, and Criz Creations. We all get to pick one of the members of the 4 Horsemen of the Apocalypse. I chose War, and we did versions of it, post the video. So of course I'm gonna have their information in the description, so you can go check out their channel, subscribe, check out the video, and all that stuff. For mine, I had War, and I wanted to do it in that that style that was like the old heavy metal comic book covers from back in the day, kind of like that I was going for. So check it out, let me know what you think, and of course I'm back, so look out for more videos, and enjoy.